Hi, my name is Rajiv Bajaj, and I've been fortunate enough that I know Dr. Vineet for the last 6 years. When I met him first 6 years back, I was a known case I was a known patient with a ureteric injury and retroperitoneal mass, in my abdomen. And when I met him after my discharge and hospital stay from Fortis, I was in a very depleted kind of a health condition, and I lost all hopes in life, whether I would be able to pull it off or not, because there were a lot of complications followed by, a wrong diagnose, wrong procedures happened, ureteric injury, followed by PCN stunting in Fortis. But as the luck would have had it, I was destined to come across a God-sent angel by the name of Dr. Vineet Malhotra. You know. Since then, I'm very blessed. The journey has been very smooth. Uh, the best thing about Dr. Vineet Malhotra is he really does take care of his patients very equally, irrespective of people coming to him from all walks of life, from all over the world, irrespective of caste, creed, color. The kind of treatment what one has been getting, under his guidance, and the procedures what he has been doing, it's full of compassion and full of utmost care, and a patient can't expect greater than this. And post that, my life has been pretty smooth, and he gave me a new lease of life. He kind of did whatever was supposed to be done in terms of managing my ureter and what do you call it in the medical terminology, you know, urethrostomy followed by a transuretral procedure. What he did almost 6 years back, followed by a DJ stunting. It was absolutely smooth. So and after that, there has been a series of referrals which I have also sent to Dr. Vineet, which were comprising of friends and families and fellow acquaintances, and who also kind of uh, kept on, extending their blessings and wishes to me and thanking he is the best urologist that we have in the country. Uh, so that has been my journey. Of late, again, there was a episode of multiple hernia case, which just kind of been diagnosed a fortnight ago. And immediately I was the first one to give him a shout. He said, "Don't you worry, I'm here." He made me absolutely comforted, and again he took me in his grip, and it was absolutely a very smooth procedure at VNA Hospital. Under his supervision, he took charge of my surgery alongside Dr. Sunil Garg, who is again one of the fellow senior veteran surgeon. And not only about the doctors, about Dr. Vineet, but I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to each and every staff member, starting from the GDA to the cleaning staff, to the nursing staff, to the supervisor, to the X-ray technician, to the people who are associated with Dr. Vineet, who are assisting Dr. Vineet in his daily, affairs or managing the patients. Everything is worth, it's worth commendable. But it's one of the best team what VNA has, got today in town, and I would recommend always VNA hospitals to all my fellow friends, known people, relatives, and all, like that. God forbid, in case of any medical emergency, irrespective of whether it's a urology or orthopedic, but at least go and you must see a doctor by the name of Dr. Vineet Malhotra. Thank you.